Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of integrating Trackier with Coachava, so you can track installs, in-app events, and campaign performance seamlessly. To find the integration, simply go to the Automation section, Integration, and then Mobile App Tracking. In order to integrate with Coachava, we need to fill a form with a few basic details and our postbacks. Once you click on the Setup Instruction button, it will show you the install and event postback along with the Trackier macros that are needed to be placed against the Coachava parameters. On the top of this page, you will find a link that will redirect you to the integration form. On the first page of this form, you will find the introduction that you can skip by clicking on the Next button. On the next page, it will ask you for the basic details of your agency. For example, name of the network, contact name, the email address of the contact person, and link to your network company logo, which is optional, etc. In the next section, you will be asked to select the platform for which you have the inventory. For example, if you have apps for Android, iOS, and macOS, simply select the inventory and click the Next button. On the next page, it will request you to enter the standard device ID parameter. Please specify the exact macro from your ad server that is used to populate each of the click parameters. For example, if your ad server uses user_agent for device_UA, then provide that exact format in the table shown on the screen. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the option to define your standard click parameters. This step is very important. Just like before, enter your ad server macros against the parameters requested in the form. The most critical one is the click ID, while the others are highly recommended. Providing these helps Coachava capture additional contextual information from each click, which improves actionable insights for the advertiser. Just below this section, you'll find a few additional parameters. These are optional, but we recommend filling them with your macros for smoother and more effective communication between both servers. On the next page, Kochava will ask for the same information, but this time for impressions. If you'd like to work on impression tracking, simply enter your macros just like before, and then click the Next button to proceed. Now we've reached the most important page of this form. This is where we'll be defining our postbacks. In the Install Postback section, we'll enter the required details. Select Trackier as the platform, enter the method as GET, set the postback type to URL. In the endpoint, we will be entering our install postback, as it is, by copying it from the panel. In the success response, enter the true message as shown on the screen, and below this, the same process is to be followed for the event postback. Enter the platform name as Trackier, select the method as GET, and choose the postback type as URL. Then, copy and paste your event postback, just like we did earlier for the install postback from the Trackier dashboard. Finally, enter the same success response and hit the Submit button after reviewing all the details. Now the process is complete, and you will need to wait to hear back from Coachava in 3 to 4 business days. Thank you.